Look at the turtle.
He's saying hi.
Good morning.
Hi.
You coming this way? Laundry depot? Is that where you're saying?
That's it.
That's it? We're gonna go do laundry there someday. Speedy stop. Checkout. That's called checkout there. So is this a bay? Is this what you would call it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then on the other side is the... Well, there's going to be an island on the other side too, isn't there? I still don't know.
That's the piece from the map I don't remember.
Yeah, we don't know. Maybe we'll figure it out by the time we leave here.
Not near as windy today. Look at no hardly any whitecaps. Remember
true,
yesterday?
yeah.
It was like tons of whitecaps.
It's supposed to get windy today though, but it's not like yesterday. We could kayak in that, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That guy's fishing. HEB!
You know,
HEB! Yay!
I don't even know.
Let's go to HEB. Guess what we're here for? Sushi. If you hadn't figured it out yet, Leslie's favorite food is sushi in the world. Sushi, 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 sushi. Lots of sushi, sushi, sushi.
Pull right up to the water.
You just pull right up to the water right there.
Sweet. All those birds.
Put it in your kayak right there.
Yeah. On a less windy day.
Yeah. Don't want to do it when it's windy. Fulton Mansion, 1.5 miles. Don't know what that is. Is that like a fishing pier right there? You just... Oh, it's private.
Probably for the neighbors across the way.
Yeah. They have a gate, a key to the gate. And this one's public, looks like. It's open. Private pier though. Huh. It's a whole new world for me out here.
The beach town.
Yeah.
Gabriella's.
I'm from seafood. The fly trap. Keep out. Interesting place.
It's kind of pretty here. Blue.
That's blue, but see, yesterday I was saying it's greenish yellow.
What's that? That's a sales office for something.
Yeah, these are
These
little
water.
shacks, aren't they?
Yeah.
Little bitty shacks on the water. Interesting.
Allegro Coastal Properties.
Wonder how much these cost. How many millions these cost.
Right.
I'll just take one, please. Not. I wouldn't even know how to live in one of these. Like that one right there. Not to my style. That one's for sale. We could look it up. Oh, this one's for sale. 1833. Let's look that one up.
If I was going to live down here, I'd live over here.
True.
On the water. Why would I be across the street with some more expensive house blocking my view?
Well, because true.
It looks like there's not a lot.
They don't even have
public access.
Yeah, they don't have public access.
Oh, there's a public access right there.
Oh. I guess you can pull up in that driveway and park.
Apparently.
Sand. Oh, that one's for sale.
That's a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, just a lot. Could I park my truck camper there forever?
Yeah.
It'd be like, no. Restrictions.
That's a cute little one. That's not very big.
Oh, that little white one?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one's cute.
This one's big. Look at this go on and on.
Oh, gosh.
And on and on.
Just to say, I would not live here. I don't want to live where I have to be afraid of a hurricane.
Oh, that's cute. The little roundhouse.
Yeah, that was cute.
That's very cute.
That one's for sale. New price, even. They can't even give them away.
No. New price means it just went up.
Yeah.
Look at that green roof. That's pretty.
Yeah. Well, they're tearing that one down back there. This one's getting...
Now, I wonder if I can get out. Or if this goes like to a point you have to turn around and
Go back?
Yeah. I don't know. We shall see.
So you'd have to have a boat if you have a house.
Absolutely. And I'd need a pool.
And a swimming pool and a boat and
And a view
a view.
of the water. Look at that.
I know. Oh,
Private drive. Finisterre private drive.
that's where it ended. Albatross. Bay Shore. So we can look up that one house. I gave you the address. Here's your homework. I gave you the address to that house on Bay Shore. Somebody look up the price of that house and put it in the comments. That'd be funny. How much is it? Oh, look at the garage doors on that house.
Oh, cool. Like barn doors.
Barn wooden doors.
Oh, that's a cul-de-sac.
Cul-de-sac. Palm trees everywhere.
Really is pretty.
Yeah. Still don't want to live anywhere where there's a hurricane. Possible.
Oh, this is
Oh, it's a cul-de-sac too.
So I had to make my way back out to that road.
So Leslie just made a good point. There's no beaches. It's just house and water. No beach. Very interesting. Houses and no beach.
Yeah, comparing
I think-
it to like Justin, Florida, the houses have the same kind of vibe to
Yeah.
me. But you have your white sand beaches across it. Even have you gone to Myrtle Beach in that area?
No.
They have big white sand, like dune style beaches, but they still have beach. Oh, did you see a little beach out there? Huh.
Well,
Yeah.
just that's on sand right there, but there's no house. Huh. So look at all the birds up in this tree. This is an observation point. They even have like the binocular looking things that you can look to there and look at the birds in that big old those trees. Interesting. Interesting looking trees. Okay, I think we went overboard on the sushi. So this one is veggie roll, Caribbean spring roll.
But which ones are we gonna do?
I know.
What'd you
So we're
have?
going to have, Ross is making spring rolls for lunch. So I have Philadelphia.
That mine. That's
Oh, is that
spicy
the one?
tonight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Philadelphia with imitation crab. It's got cream cheese in it. So this one's, I think I'm keeping this one.
Yeah.
For me?
I think that's a keeper for you.
Yeah. Oh.
And I think there was another keeper.
Well, this one is the one, because
Yeah.
it's a value pack.
Yeah.
It's a lot. Am I keeping that one or
Well,
taking that one?
my
We don't
thought would
even
be-
know.
Okay, why don't, unless you want to keep this one,
The
would we
veggie.
take these two? Or you don't want a Philadelphia roll? We take these two. How about we take either these two or these two?
Okay.
What do you think?
Yes.
We could
This is all-
open this up and do half and half.
Oh, we could.
Yeah.
All right, let's do that.
Okay. So
Okay.
these are going for lunch. All right.
All right. Spring rolls and sushi. Oh, and I'm got a turkey salad. Gonna eat a little bit of that right now. What is it? Somebody has separation anxiety. I walk across the street and you start barking. Is that it? You want to come sit down with me? Oh, okay. Is that it? Yeah? Okay, come here. Let's come over here and sit. Is that better? Is that better? Okay. Silly girl. All right. He said, this is my plate. Yeah, right. I might be able to eat one of those, but here's the spring rolls.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
How
Yummy. Okay, we're headed to the swimming pool. It's windy. My new bathing suit top. There's a swimming pool. There's a hot tub. People are coming in, so I'm going to turn this off.